Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Olayemi cooking. Today we are making mint lemon. It's very refreshing and it's very delicious. It's very unique. This drink, you can take it at any time of the day. You're going to be needing fresh meat and some lemon to make this mint lemon. So I'll start by dissolving my sugar. I'll be using 6 teaspoons of sugar. You can as well cook this in a stove top, but I prefer using this method to make mine. So I'm going to add 1 cup of hot water. I mean very hot water, and be careful when you are doing that. So we'll start by dissolving it by using our spoon to stir it. Please let me know where you are watching this video from in the comment section. Please put it in the comment section. I want to really know where you are watching this video from. This meat lemonade does not really call for too much ingredients. You just need few ingredients to make this. So we really just need to let your sugar be dissolved. So this method is very fast and it's very simple. So after doing this, you just put it down, let it cool. You can put it in the refrigerator and allow it to cool. So we are going to be needing 2 limes. You can use lemon to make this. So to make it more easy for you to juice, you just need to rub it this way, so it will be very easy for you to juice out your lemon. While preparing your ingredients, please remember to wash all your ingredients thoroughly. So we start by juicing out our lemon. So I'll start by cutting out our lemon into 2. Then we juice out the lemon. You can use any method to juice it. If you have the manual juicer, you can also use that to juice out your lemon juice, or you can as well use the method I'm using in the video. You can freely use your hand to juice it out to get your juice. So I'll be doing this just the way I'm doing the video to extract my lemon juice. If you're a new viewer to my channel, you're welcome. For returning viewers and new subscribers, thank you so much for being supportive of my channel. Please feel free to watch more of my recipe. I have so many recipes on my channel. Please feel free to watch more. So after juicing it, we are going to step this aside. Then we'll start preparing our meat. So this is the fresh meat I'm going to be using. So I'm going to start by cutting it into smaller size by dicing it. You can skip this method. You can just free to put it in your juicer, or you can free to put it in your blender to get your meat. So before that, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please remember to click the subscribe button down in the video, and remember to click the notification bell as well, so you get updated of my video, of my new videos. Please feel free to do that as well. So we finished dicing our meat, so we'll go back to the next step by adding our meat into a blender. I'm using a blender to make this meat lemonade. It's very refreshing. It's very tasty, very tasty. My kids, my family really love it. So I'm going to go ahead and add my lime juice, my lemon juice, into the blender as well. There I'm going to go ahead and blend everything until it's well smooth. Then we'll move to the next step of this video. Please remember to like this video and blend until it's well smooth. Yes, blend it until everything is well smooth. You can as well add ice cube to it if you really want to add ice cube to it, but just you can skip that as well. You can just blend with just the lime juice only. So I only use 2 lime and some fresh meat to make this, just about a cup of meat to make this meat lemonade. So we'll go back to the next step of this video. Please remember to like this video, and please feel free to share this recipe. Then we'll go ahead and save that. We're going to save our drink to get our delicious meat lemonade. This drink is very refreshing. Then we move to the other step by rubbing a lime on the cup. Just rub it some lime on the cup. Then to make this topping, that's fine looking topping, then we are going to dip the glass cup into a sugar to get that taste when you are sipping your meat lemonade. This method is very unique and it makes it more tasty and refreshing. You can drink this drink for summer, you can take it for any time of the day, and you can even take it with some ice cube. It's very refreshing. My kids love it. My family really love it. Then I'm going to add some ice cube into the glass cup. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some amount of the blended mint lemonade that I blended earlier. Then we are going to go ahead and add our cold sugar water. So we are going to add it to get that perfect mint lemonade. You can share this with your guests, you can share it with anybody. This drink is very, very refreshing, and you're going to like every taste of it. If you enjoyed this mint lemonade video, please feel free to watch more of my videos, and please subscribe to my channel. Encourage us by leaving comments, and please share. Hope to see you next time, and stay safe.